over our past few videos, we've covered planning, packing, shipping, paperwork, and delivery. Now it's time to bring everything together with a simple checklist that can help you stay organized from the moment you decide to move until you're settled into your new home in Spain. Before you move, start by confirming your relocation plans, gather important documents, apply for appropriate visas, begin researching neighborhoods, schools, or transportation if you're unfamiliar with your destination. The earlier you organize these details, the smoother the process becomes. Organize your household. Walk through your home one room at a time. Decide what you're going to ship, what you're going to donate, and what you'll leave behind. Create a list of valuable or sentimental items and discuss any special packing needs with your relocation specialist. This is a great time to begin organizing important records and personal documents. Schedule your move. Once your plans are coming together, schedule your packing and pickup dates. Coordinate your travel plans with your moving timeline whenever possible. If anything changes, let your relocation specialist at SDC know right away so adjustments can be made if necessary. Remember, good communication helps keep everything on track. Prepare for arrival. Before leaving California, make sure you know where you're staying once you arrive in Spain. Keep important documents with you instead of packing them with your shipment. Pack a suitcase with clothing, medications, chargers, and other everyday essentials you'll need before your household goods are delivered. Having those items readily available can make your first few days in Spain much more comfortable. Welcome to Spain. Moving international is about much more than transporting furniture. It's about starting a new chapter. There's going to be challenges. There's also going to be exciting firsts. Your first neighborhood cafe, your first walk through the new city, your first meal with new friends. These moments are why all the planning is worth it. Whether you're relocating from Los Angeles, San Diego, Sacramento, Orange County, or anywhere else in California, preparation is a key to a successful international move. When you're ready to begin, the relocation specialist at SDC International Shipping is here to help you build a personalized moving plan, answer your questions, and guide you through every step of the journey. Give us a call at 844-651-7050 or visit our website, movertospain.com.